Imagine if, tomorrow, you wake up and you've accidentally slipped into the fourth dimension. Your heart is still beating, but suddenly, someone can reach into your chest and touch it without ever breaking your skin.
Impossible? Physics says, maybe not. But to understand the terrifying things that wait for you in the higher dimensions,
we first have to take away the ones you already have. Let's see what it actually takes to survive in all 7 dimensions. Before we break reality, look at where you are right now. 3D. You have length, width, and height. You have 6 degrees of freedom. You can move forward, up, and sideways. Your heart has space to pump blood. 3D is a fragile Goldilocks zone. It is the only place we know of where biology actually works. So what happens when the universe steals one of your dimensions?
Welcome to 2D, Flatland. Imagine taking your entire body and crushing it onto a single sheet of paper.
At first, it looks like a retro video game. You can slide left, right, forward, and backward. But you can never, ever look up. But here is where the science gets terrifying. Think about your digestive system. It's essentially a tube that runs from your mouth to the other end. If you draw a line straight through a 2D shape, what happens? You cut it in half. The physicist Stephen Hawking famously pointed this out. In 2D, eating would literally split your body into 2 disconnected pieces. It doesn't generate local gravity, just a flat, dark void. We drop to the first dimension. 1D. Congratulations. You've officially become a line. Not exactly the superhero transformation you were hoping for. You have exactly 1 degree of freedom. You are a train locked on a single track. No biology here is impossible. No organs, no brain cells. You are just a mathematical segment. But let's take everything away. 0 dimensions. Imagine squeezing the entire Earth into a single pixel. Now squeeze that pixel until it has no width, no height, no depth.
That is 0D. You don't exist here. You can't move, you can't think. You are completely erased from existence.
The lower dimensions are a mathematical prison. To survive, we need to go up, past our 3D home, into the unknown. This is the 4th spatial dimension, and it breaks every rule your brain knows. If you took just 1 step into 4D omniscient view of our world,
you could see inside locked safes. You could see inside your own stomach without a single cut on your skin.
But this godlike view comes with a horrifying side effect: chirality inversion. In 4D, you can be rotated in ways that are impossible in our world.
Without any pain, your left hand could suddenly flip into a right hand. Your DNA could mirror invert. Your body would instantly stop recognizing its own proteins.
And it gets worse. According to some theoretical models, the forces holding your atoms together might drop off too fast. Your electrons wouldn't stay in orbit. Imagine the structure holding every particle together gradually becoming unstable. In this conceptual visualization, the familiar structure can no longer remain intact. So, what happens if we go even deeper? Welcome to 5D.
Here, you wouldn't just be a human anymore. You'd be interacting with the hidden architecture of the cosmos.
In physics, theories like the Randall-Sundrum model suggest our entire 3D universe might just be a flat membrane floating in a massive 5D space. If you somehow survived here, you wouldn't feel gravity the same way. You would be standing in the dimension where gravity and quantum forces might finally merge.
You wouldn't be walking on a planet. You'd be drifting through the microscopic loops of reality itself.
But 5D is just the waiting room for the absolute bottom of the rabbit hole. 6 and 7 dimensions represent increasingly abstract mathematical descriptions of reality. Here, geometry and mathematical relationships become Some theoretical models suggest that the smallest structures of nature may be incredibly compact. These proposed structures would exist at scales far smaller. They take the shape of mind-bending geometries, called Calabi-Yau manifolds. Some theoretical models describe reality using mathematical structures beyond our everyday experience. This visualization represents those ideas through light. The very shape of these tiny dimensions dictates how much an electron weighs. It dictates how light travels. Some theoretical models describe reality as an intricate mathematical structure extending far beyond everyday experience. This visualization We spend our whole lives looking up at the stars, wondering about the miracles of black holes and quantum mechanics. But after traveling from the erased nothingness of 0D to the terrifying mirror world of 4D and the quantum geometry of 7D, maybe the greatest miracle isn't out there in deep space. It's the fact that 3 dimensions are not enough. Exactly 3 are just enough to let you exist. To let you exist. I want to ask you a question. If scientists gave you one chance, just one highly advanced suit that could let you survive in any of these dimensions, which one would you choose to explore? Tell me your answer down in the comments.
Until next time, stay curious.